Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. First of all, a big congratulations to Team India for winning the T20 Cricket World Cup in Barbados on June 29th. A very happy moment for all of us. Now let's get into the video. Over the last few days, there have been a lot of questions both on our YouTube channel and on the Instagram channel. The comments or questions are mainly asking for suggestions on jump ropes which are affordable within a price range. There are comments which are asking for suggestion for jump ropes below Indian rupees 2000. There are comments asking for suggestions on affordable good quality jump ropes below Indian rupees 500. So in this video today, we will talk about 5 affordable good quality jump ropes I bought in India at different points in time. All these jump ropes I bought it for below 500 Indian rupees. 500 Indian rupees is like $6 in today's conversion. So $6 or 500 rupees is a fantastic price point for many of us. I would also like to say that all the 5 jump ropes that we'll be speaking today, I have absolutely no affiliation with the company or the seller. These are all jump ropes I bought with my personal money. And the only reason I'm making this video or talking about these jump ropes is 1, I personally use these ropes. 2, in my opinion, these are very good value for money jump ropes. Meaning, the price we pay for this rope and the value we get out of these ropes is very good. So let's get into today's video. 5 jump ropes I bought in India below 500 rupees. Come, let's go. The 5 ropes that we'll be talking today are laid out behind me. Come, let's go have a look at the rope and we'll talk about the ropes. Come. These are the ropes we'll be talking about today. The 5 jump ropes I bought in India for below 500 rupees or $6. I know there are 6 ropes on this table, but it's actually from 5 companies. In fact, I have made videos on each of these ropes in the channel. If you've been watching videos in this channel, you would know or you would recognize the brand of each of these ropes. Now, let us talk about each rope one by one. The first rope we see here today is the SANGUINE MX 5.0, the yellow rope with black handles. The rope you see here is also the same rope, SANGUINE MX 5.2, just that the color of the rope is different, electric green or lime green. In fact, 4 years back when I bought these ropes, it was below 500. I don't remember the exact price. For making the video today, I actually checked the prices. It goes at Indian rupees 530, which I still feel is pretty okay given the quality and the durability of these ropes. I have used it a lot, especially the yellow one. The wear and tear is minimal. Of course, yes, I don't jump on very abrasive surfaces. I try to jump on smooth surfaces like marble, or I use a jump rope mat. There's an interesting story of how I got this jump rope, how I bought this jump rope from SANGUINE. The year was 2020, the peak of the pandemic, lockdowns everywhere. That's when I went ahead and placed an order for some jump ropes from Rush Athletics. I'm sure all of us know Rush Athletics. This was also a time when all the shipping companies or logistic companies were completely overloaded and things were crazy. So I placed the order, but the ropes never came. Rishi, being the gentleman that he is, he went ahead and refunded the full order value back to me. So that's what got me back to the starting point of looking for a good jump rope. That's when I stumbled on this company called SANGUINE, and I saw that they had ropes which are similar to what I was looking for, the SANGUINE MX 5.0. So I went ahead and placed order for a few ropes. I was very happy with the overall experience. I liked the ropes, so I went ahead and ordered a few other ropes also from this company, like the Boxer Muay Thai jump rope, long handled ropes, beaded ropes and all that. Overall good quality stuff. So I thought I'll just share this small story from the past with you. The next rope we have here is one of my personal favorites. This is called the STRAUSS 5mm PVC jump rope. In fact, I had a STRAUSS rope which was in this electric green color, but I couldn't find it today, so I'm going with the black STRAUSS jump rope. 5mm PVC cord, plastic handles, overall a great quality. In fact, I have made a lot of videos with the STRAUSS jump rope which was in this color, and I checked the price today online. Price is 229 Indian rupees, a fantastic price for a great rope, a simple rope but a great quality rope. Next we move on to this rope. Any guesses what this rope is? We have spoken about this in the channel before. Yes, this is the ADIDAS Essential Skipping Rope. That's what it is called, ADIDAS Essential Skipping Rope. Again, like I've said about the other ropes, good quality rope. In fact, what I feel is the rope diameter of this ADIDAS rope, I think, is slightly more than the 5mm of other ropes. Feels very good, good build quality, wear and tear is minimum, and the price I checked today online is Indian rupees 449. I think it is a decent acceptable price for a good jump rope, which is pretty durable. The next rope on this list is this one. What I like about this rope is the colors in which it comes. It actually looks like a box of crayon. Lot of beautiful bright pastel colors. This rope is NIVIA from a company called NIVIA Sports. I bought quite a few ropes. When I bought it, actually it was below 100 rupees. I checked the price today for making this video. It is going at 129 or 139 rupees depending on the site you are looking at. A very good price for a decent rope. The only thing is, I somehow felt the PVC used in the NIVIA ropes is slightly softer compared to the other ropes, so there is a slight lag when we spin, which is not a big deal. Overall, a good, durable, colorful jump rope. The fifth rope in the list has a spring on it. Any guesses? I'm sure many of you guessed. This is the BOLDFIT jump rope. Very good quality jump rope. The price is also pretty affordable. I don't remember at what price I bought it for. I checked it today before making the video. It is going at 169. So 169, what do you get? You get the jump rope and you get this spring also. The purpose of the spring is to protect the rope at the point of contact and hopefully elongating the life of the PVC rope. I like small touches like these by sellers, and the price at which it is selling, 169, these add-ons are well appreciated. Well done to the company. So one more look at these 5 top quality jump ropes I bought in India for less than $6 or less than 500 rupees. BOLDFIT, NIVIA, ADIDAS Essential, STRAUSS 5mm PVC, SANGUINE MX 5.0 in yellow, SANGUINE MX 5.0 in electric green. So that's it, friends. That is a look at the 5 affordable jump ropes I bought in India at different points in time. There are a few more ropes I have which would fall in this bracket of good quality affordable jump ropes below $6 or below 500 Indian rupees. But in the interest of keeping this video short, I have restricted the list to 5 jump ropes. Hopefully in the coming days, I'll make another video with the next 5 jump ropes I have, which I had bought for less than 500 rupees or $6, which are of top quality, good durability, and a very affordable price. So that's it, friends. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. Do leave your comment, question or feedback. I look forward to reading and replying to your comments. As usual, enjoy your jumps, stay safe, take care, bye-bye.